Now, I like the white cooked a little bit. I like to taste chunks of the egg white, you might call it. And also I like to taste the cooked yolk part too. So, but then I also, like it the old-fashioned way with where you scramble it, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stir it up and everything, but I do like chunks of egg yolk and egg whites, so that's all we're doing right now. It's just letting it cook on the bottom, and it's been there for a while, so we're going to start stirring, turn it into scrambled eggs, and then put it in that over there. Take the oil and grease out of that. Try and make gravy. Gravy is next. Okay, I took the eggs out with that Rotel, and then I put them in the, first I took the grease out of that and put it in there. No, I put it in there. I poured the grease out of that pan with the bacon in it in there. Oh boy, I don't think that's supposed to be smelling like that. Man, oh boy, burnt milk. Who ever heard of burnt milk? Is that a thing, burnt milk? I'm trying to make some powdered milk, and it had grease or whatever. Yeah, grease. Boy. Well, who knows? Maybe we don't get too much of that burnt, or maybe just throw it away. Let's see what it tastes like. Whoa, that really tastes burnt. No, I gotta clean that out. I'll be back. So when I built the cup, it's too burnt out. I know you can't see anything, but you can smell it. It smells like something burning there. I'm gonna have to use it for 3 or 4 days before I get that burnt smell out of there, but I didn't know what to do. So I stuck it in this container that I found today. Really nice one. I don't know, it's insulated too. I don't know what I would use it for, but turned out I needed it, because I need something to shake up the milk in, and then when I tried to pick it up, I don't have no feeling in my right hand, so I don't know, I just kind of slipped out and went into the eggs. And we got milk for the gravy. The gravy's next. Okay, well, getting dark on me. Real bad. It's like, man, this ain't good. It's cold too. It's gonna get down. Yep, it's they'll say the low is 42, and I'll wake up with ice. Tonight they're claiming the low is 39. I know I'm gonna wake up with ice. The only good thing is I don't ever feel it inside of my sleeping bag. It's just you wake up with everything wet, and I don't know. But anyway, we got it all done. We got some doggone good gravy. We're gonna keep it separated in case we want to add some cheese to it. I don't know how cheese and gravy, I don't know. I've had gravy, or I've had eggs and bacon and cheese, like in a burrito, but I ain't never had no cheese and gravy. Oh, and I was gonna grate up a potato and make like hash browns, but it's too dark. It's getting cold. I'm talking real cold. I got 2 jackets on, might get another one on pretty soon. But yeah, we got a lot of good food here, and I'm talking good food. There you have it. I'll talk to you later.